This module about Writeback introduced the supporting data architecture, the steps to enable Writeback, and demonstrated the results of using Writeback. Before getting into the details of working with Writeback, we reviewed several Writeback concepts. First, and most importantly, Writeback is an Enterprise Edition feature and requires users to have an application that supports Analysis Services Writeback. We can implement Dimension Writeback when we want users to be able to add new members, such as a revision number for a budget or a forecast version. Dimension Writeback updates a relational table immediately and performs a process update to add the member to the Analysis Services Dimensions store. Cell Writeback allows users to update numeric values in the cube, and then Analysis Services writes data to a relational partition and then performs an incremental update on the cube. To implement Dimension Writeback, we set the write-enabled property of the dimension to true. Then authorized users can add new members to a dimension. Only the dimension member name is required from the user, and then Analysis Services sends a T-SQL insert statement to the relational source and then runs an update process on the dimension to add in the new member. To implement Cell Writeback, we create a Writeback partition for a measure group, which can use MOLAP or ROLAP storage. As a user adds or changes values in the cube, the values stay in memory for the user's current session, and no one else can see those values. That way, a user can test the impact of changes made before finalizing the input. When finished, a commit command from the application causes Analysis Services to recalculate user input as weighted values to leaf level cells if the input was at higher levels, and then Analysis Services sends T-SQL insert statements to add corresponding records to the Writeback partition. If the partition uses MOLAP storage, Analysis Services also performs an incremental update to bring the cube up to date for faster performance. And here are some resources you might find helpful when implementing and working with Writeback.